Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a watermark in Filmora. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically to create watermarks, you will have many ways. Either you will have like some text or your logo that will be showing in your video and it will have like less opacity, or you can start like creating some kind of moving video or moving text, etc. So basically you will need just to go to your video. So this is my video here, and now you will be needing to add your watermark. So either it will be a text or it will be uh, an image or your logo. In my case, I'm just going to stick with text, and either you can have like a 3D text or whatever you'd like. And basically this is our text here, and you can like have it however you'd like. So I'm just going to stick with regular text now, and basically this one would allow you to add animations, etc. So I'm just going to make our text here, and I want it to be bigger, and basically let's just make it somewhere here. You can, for example, put your text here, my video, and here we will have, and here we change the opacity a little bit, or you leave it like that, and you make sure it is like a big watermark, or do whatever you would like. And by that, you will have your watermark that will be created. So when you export the video, you will have it exported within this text. And basically, this would be your watermark. And the same you can do for the image. You will need just to add the image. You go to the media and image, and you just change the opacity, and you make it, you place it somewhere. So basically, that's it. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.